Well, let's get the latest on all that now from Philip Avery. Philip.
Anna, thank you very much indeed. Very good afternoon. Good afternoon to you. I'm very glad to say that most of those areas were covered by our forecast for the wintry weather, and we are not out of the woods yet by any means at all. Many of the areas that you've seen do, in fact, are still being covered by that severe weather warning for heavy snows across Scotland, Northern Ireland, and down into Wales. There's a bit of a production line coming in off the Irish Sea down across much of Wales. And as you get across the Bristol Channel, you're not out of the woods quite yet, because there's still further snow showers to come across the moors of Devon and Cornwall as well. No doubt about it, as you come further east, it gets drier, brighter and finer, and certainly into East Anglia and much of these North Sea facing coasts, well, a drier and finer day than was the case yesterday. Still just the chance of 1 or 2 light showers getting in towards the North York moors and perhaps the North Yorkshire coast as well, but nowhere near the sort of extent of showers that we're expecting yet again across much of northern Scotland and to parts of Northern Ireland. Come further south in both though, and it's dry, fine and sunny, although not overly warm because the wind is in the north and northwest, so the temperature's never much better than 3, 4, 5 or 6. You see that the skies are relatively clear across the spine of the country, which means that with lighter winds we're going to have a much more extensive frost than we had last night, and the temperatures really will fall away. These are the sort of values that you should be working on. -3 to -4 across the northern half of Britain. Further south, unless you're in a real frost pocket, temperatures just getting down below freezing. You may have heard of -10. Yes, if you happen to be in the snowfields of the Highlands of Scotland, -10 or -12 could well be yours. But if you're safely tucked up in the heart of Manchester or Birmingham, then -2 to -3 should just about cover it for you. But a chilly start to the day, no doubt about it, across many parts of the British Isles, even along the south coast here, down into the Riviera, Torquay. Well, temperatures close to freezing there, I assure you. And still the chance of some wintry showers there, getting in on that northwesterly breeze by this time into the north and west of Wales, and yet again into the north of Northern Ireland. So slippery surfaces, something to consider right across the British Isles. And something of a change for Thursday, a slight change in the distribution of showers. Forget about the east coast for the most part, and it's hello over towards the northwest of England, coming in off the Irish Sea, and then driving down perhaps into the heart of the Midlands, maybe into the home counties as well. So just something to watch out for there. You haven't seen many showers, I know, over the past couple of days. And then on Friday, we're looking down towards the southwest. Bit of a risk of something coming into the southwest and maybe creeping along the south coast. Could be snow on its leading edge. Be with me tomorrow, and I'll give you the very latest on that. Anna.